Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to guide you through the process to activate your call forwarding on your Android phone. So without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started. You can start by opening up the phone app, open up the phone app for that. And once you access the application, you can look out for the three dot menu in the top right corner, select it, and just go over and select the settings. So access your settings from here, tap on settings and you will be accessing your settings here. Now, all you gotta do is from the given options available here, you need to look out for the call forwarding option. So you can look out for the option for auto call settings and look out for call forwarding. If not here, you can look out for the supplementary services and there you can look out for the call forwarding option. So there we go, we have this option for call forwarding. Now you just need to go over and tap on it. The exact path may vary, but you just need to navigate to the call forwarding and tap on it. And there you can select the option for voice call or your video call. So you can select the condition under which you want your calls to be forwarded. So if you want voice calls, tap on voice and you can select the option of always forward. Always forward is something all incoming calls will be forwarded to. When busy is something calls will be forwarded if you want another call, or when unanswered, the calls will be forwarded if you don't answer, and when unreachable, the calls will be forwarded if your phone is off or has no signal. So here in this section, you just need to go over and enter the destination number, input the phone number you want to forward your calls to. After that is done, just go over and tap on this enable option right here and confirm your selection. And that way the call forwarding will be turned on. To deactivate or turn it off, you can just go back to the same settings and you can just go over and remove the number or choose the option of disable or turn off. In that way, that is how you basically activate the call forwarding on your Android phone or deactivate it. So that is it, everybody. You may follow up these methods for that. It is pretty easy. So do not forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.